Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. In today's video, we're playing with the new Shroud Cosmetics launch, the Peaches and Dreams palette. I am so stoked about this. I've known that this is in the works for a long time now, and I'm so happy that it's finally here and it's gonna be in your hands, and I'm happy to play with it myself. This is just all so exciting for me. She's also launching cute little peach milk earrings to go with the palette, and I die. Chloe, you need to do earrings every time. This is the cutest thing in the whole world. In this video, we're gonna be doing swatches. I'll be giving you close-ups of the palette. I'll be creating the look that you see right here, and it's gonna be a fun time. I do plan on playing more with this one as well. I just didn't have time to get a 2 looks up before launch. So this is what we're doing today, and I do plan on playing with this again soon. I think I'll play with this again in my upcoming reading wrap-up, Get Ready With Me, and then I'll play with it again on like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. This is launching on the 30th at 3 p.m. EST, and you can use my affiliate code battybean if you'd like to save money on their sites. I appreciate you so much in advance for using it. I appreciate you, Shroud, for sending me the palette. And without further ado, let's just hop in and do swatches, open up the palette, and create the look. I just live for the packaging. Chloe always kills it with her packaging. I always love the design. It's so stinking cute. And the inside is such a dream. I love it so much. The UPS, man, I think drop kicked my palette. So a couple of my shades were a little crumbly, but thankfully they weren't like totally destroyed, and I was able to like put a couple of them back into place. Thanks a lot, mailman, for almost sabotaging me. But this is so cute. I love the 5 matte, 5 shimmer ratio. I think these tones are so fun. It's just very dreamy and whimsical, and I just love it. I love peachy tones. I love blues. I love greens. This is very much a me in the summertime kind of palette. I am so excited. These shimmers are gorgeous. They're so shifty and magical, and I'm just so impressed, and I just cannot wait to keep playing with this one. So yeah, I think I've babbled enough about the palette itself. Let's get in, create the look, and then I'll give you my thoughts so far at the end. All right, hello friends. We're gonna dive into it. I'm gonna prime with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Eye Primer. I'm so super excited. I've been dying to use this palette ever since she first told me it was becoming a thing. I think it's so stinking cute. I love Shroud's formula. It's so exciting. So I kind of want to do a situation where it's like green, blue, purple, starting like here, green, blue, purple, and then fading off into the darker peach one, blending out into the lighter peach one down here. So that's what I want to do. I'm going to start with the green matte flourish. I'm going to use this Sigma E33 brush, and I'm just going to start kind of lightly building it up here in the inner corner of my crease area. Ooh, that is such a cool shade of green. I really like that. It's like bright and swampy and murky at the same time. It's really pretty. I'm gonna go in with the blue one, Drenched now. That is so beautiful. This is a Sigma E49. I'm gonna tap that off actually. I think there's gonna be a lot of pigment. And I want this to be focused kind of in the center of my crease. I'm not gonna take it out too far because I need room for the purple and peaches. Oh, that is so cute. I will always love blue and green together. It goes together in perfect harmony. Grab just a little bit more of the green flourish just to make sure they are merging together nicely. I think this is so cute. I'm gonna take this dual-ended Sigma brush now. I'm gonna use the blendy side. It's the E38, and I'm gonna take the purple Velveteen. That is such a cute name. And I'm just going to start lightly swirling it in the outer part of the crease, not really taking it any farther than my actual lid itself, because I wanna save all of this real estate for the peaches, because I do want the peach to kind of be the star of the show. I just wanted the other colors in here as kind of an accent. So just lightly buffing this purple, making sure it blends nicely into my blue. I'll grab just the teенsiest bit more blue as well, kind of like what I did with the green, just to make sure they are flowing together seamlessly. Cute, I want to take Heat Wave now, the darker of the 2 peachy shades, and I'll blend it out with Peach Milk. So for Heat Wave, I'm gonna start with this Sigma brush, the E24. It's kind of like a tapered blending brush. And I'm gonna start by just kind of stamping it in the outer corner of my lid. I want it to kind of fade up into the purple. Kind of go back in with some purple soon to make sure they're all meshing together nicely. But just kind of focusing it in this outer corner, feathering it out a little bit. I'll also grab some and kind of pop it underneath the outer half of my lower lash line. And I'm very okay with this kind of dragging down and blending out and getting really blown out in this outer corner. I think it's gonna make it look really just whimsical and magical with these really pretty shades. I actually have another dual-ended Sigma brush, so I'm gonna take my other one with that lightest peach and start just going to town in this outer corner. Just getting everything merged and blended. So pretty. Grabbing just the teensiest bit more purple just to make sure that my purple peach blend is flowing nicely. And I'm gonna take a little bit more of that darker peach just for fun, just to re-intensify that even more, because I do want that to be a very prominent part of this look. I think this is so pretty. I love this. It feels like Kool-Aid aesthetic or something. I think it's so cute. Oh, I don't even know what shimmers I want to use. There's so many options. Gotta be honest, I'm really vibing with Glisten, but I also really like Succulent, that green. Maybe I'll pop a little of the green under that lower lash line just to kind of like add to that green inner corner already. But either way, I'm gonna start with my Bella Beauty Bar Shimmer Stay and pop some on the lid. I'm not gonna do a cut crease. I'm just gonna kind of go in with my finger and smush the shade around. I'm gonna kind of tippy tap that so it's nice and smooth and tapped out. This is just gonna help my shimmer stay put and pop really nicely. All right, so going in with Glisten. Oh, it's just so pretty. I'm gonna plop this all over my lid. I just want this to blend into all of those colors that I laid down into the crease. Oh, I'm really glad I picked this one. I feel like this was the perfect choice. I mean, really any of these shimmers would have been the perfect choice, but I'm really happy with this one. I'm just gonna kind of go through with my previous brushes in the specific areas just to kind of make sure everything is blending and flowing nicely. I'm so excited about this combo. It's so pretty. I'm gonna grab a little bit of Succulent, that green shimmer, and just kind of plop it right underneath the front part of my lower lash line. I went a little heavy-handed with it, and honestly, I'm really glad I did because I think that's really fun. I like this just very alien pop of green down here. For my inner corner, I guess let's use the yellow Sun Shower because why not? Just give that a little pop right there. I think this is so fun. I just need to complete my look. I need to throw on some mascara, an eye pencil, something on my lips, and I'll be back when I'm complete. Here's how the final look turned out. I just think it's so whimsical and fun. I love the way these colors play together. I'm obsessed with this peachy outer corner. It's just, oh, it's so fun. I love this. I can't wait to play more with this palette. The eye pencil I ended up using is On Point from Colourpop, just kind of a peachy shade to go with the peachy vibe. And on my lips, I have on the Creative Pencil from Rare Beauty with the Fantasize Gloss from Kaleidos over top. I wish they never discontinued these because they're really good lip glosses. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you like it. Let's zoom out and I'll give you my thoughts so far. Thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I would love to hear your thoughts on this look, this palette. What are you thinking about it? I'm just so obsessed. I was obsessed from the moment she first showed it to me, and I was even more obsessed when I got it in person. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I feel like the shimmers don't do it justice in pictures. Like, they are so unreal in person. I'm really impressed. I mean, I love Shroud's formulas. It's one of my favorite formulas of all time. I found the mattes blended so beautifully. I feel like they have a good level of saturation and whimsy all at the same time. And I'm just so in love with these shimmers. I love how shifty and sparkly my lids look. I have just loved seeing the evolvement of the brand and just seeing how much she improves and constantly ups herself. It's just amazing to see. So overall, I have no complaints so far. I'm very excited about this and I cannot wait to keep playing with it. Like I mentioned before, this is launching on the 30th at 3 p.m. EST. And don't forget, you can use my affiliate code battybean to save. I would again just love to hear your thoughts. What are you thinking? Do you plan on picking this one up? Do you own anything else from Shroud? I would love to know. Also, at the moment that I'm filming this, both of my collabs are in stock on Shroud's website. So if you are wanting to pick up any of my collabs as well as this one, you can pick up those as well. And my code does apply to my palettes as well. If you made it to the end of this video, you gotta leave some peach emojis. It's the way to go. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I'm battybean on everything: Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I'm posting most days here as well. And feel free to join my channel memberships. The link to sign up will be down below. You'll get fun little perks, including a members only get ready with me once a month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.